Let's see. Hello. Oh my god, I did not want to get up. We had the really bad night last night. Both Klaus and I are super sick, but we have to get the day started. I took a quick shower just to wake up, and now I'm just gonna do my skincare treatment. I am gonna put a little bit of makeup so I look a little bit more awake and get my hair done. Then I'm gonna get Klaus ready to go to school, drop him off, and head to our OBGYN appointment. Hello everyone, we are going to go get our eyebrows done here in Mérida. It's literally 4 minutes from our house. I'm so excited that I was able to find someone so close to us. And I'm running late. I had to drop off Klaus this morning. It's Mother's Day here in Mexico, May 10th. And the line to drop him off was insane today because they were trying to do like a mini photo shoot with each mom, so that took forever. I haven't even had breakfast, but the eyebrows shouldn't take that long, so follow me. Well, hello, these are my eyebrows. They're thick, all right. I think like this one, she kind of made it a little too droopy, so we'll see. I guess I can fix it. She applied henna, so it should be gone within like a week or two. It was a little bit uncomfortable. This chair was a little bit uncomfortable, but everything else was good. Didn't smell like a strong chemical or anything like that. Let me stay right here because the lighting is so much better. Today we're having a rough day with the belly, guys. I am ready to pass out. I'm ready to go to sleep. So just waiting for Klaus to get here. This morning I went to drop him off and they had like flowers for mommies. And Klaus gave me a flower. It was so cute. Okay, so let's wait and see if he comes back with something. Besito. Te amo. Look what he got me. It's a picture of us. And then this over here. And then this morning he gave me a flower. He's just the cutest little thing. Okay, so first we're gonna hydrate our skin. I already washed my face. Then we're gonna add a moisturizer and an eye cream. Alright, so I'm adding a little bit of this oil. Huh? Agárrala. ¿Qué más quieres? No, eso es a mami, ¿ok? Eso sí lo puedes agarrar tú. Sunscreen. I went to get a facial and this guy gave me a bunch of samples, so I'm trying this one out. Seems to be working. Ooh. I think this sunscreen is a little dark, but it's okay. We're gonna do some concealer and stuff. Don't forget to apply your sunscreen, ladies. It's a must, especially if you're gonna go to the beach. It's non-negotiable. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bit of primer. I'm doing the Tatcha, just on my T-zone. Go in with my all-in-one palette, adding just a little bit of concealer. I want it to look super natural. I don't want it to look too crazy, you know? So now we're just gonna go ham on this blush right here. Oh, this blush is so pretty. Okay, so I'm adding some highlighter. And the bronzer. We're gonna go in with bronzer. Because there's like a lady coming that I have to sign some paperwork for the solar panels that we just got. So I'm like rushing, and then obviously I want to change this dress because she's gonna be like looking at me like crazy. Why are you walking like that? So I think this is nice. I'm gonna add this shade right here, nude I believe it's called, for my lips. Brush my brows. I have a brush somewhere in here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit of setting powder just because I am a little bit oily and I'm gonna be filming, so I want you guys to see me cute. Now, okay? I love this Elsie powder, it's so nice. I'm gonna be using a little bit of RCMA on my T-zone. Just some powder bronzer. Okay, so we're gonna add face mist. Woo! And I'm gonna let that dry and we're all done. I gotta go get ready before this lady comes in, sign the paperwork, get the dress back on, and then let's head to the beach. Bye. We're gonna go check out this beach club that's about an hour away from where we live. The entrance is 300 pesos per person, so it's around $15 per person. Klaus did not have to pay, which was awesome. This includes access to the entire facility, towels, and a private beach. It does have 2 pools and a restaurant. Their food was literally delicious. I'm still kind of craving the pulpo tostadas, octopus. It was so delicious. You could spend the night for the weekend if you wanted to. They do have a hotel right next to it, and you get 24/7 service. If you stay with them for a couple days, they do give you a discount on the restaurant and the facility. And as you guys will see, Klaus loves the beach. And this is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.